Hello, this is Sateesh Kamat from Effective Project Management Academy. Myself and my wife Vaijayanti, we started this academy 14 years back, and since then we have been training for PMP. So, the purpose of this video is to tell you why you should take training from EPMA. First of all, I'll tell you we take this training in two formats. One is virtual real-time training. This is suitable for anybody anywhere in the world, provided the time suits him. In this, we give all the training for 4 days, 2 consecutive weekends, Saturday, Sunday, and next Saturday, Sunday on Zoom. And we cover all the topics required for PMP examination as per exam content outline 2021. So, this is all about virtual training, virtual real-time training. This is not recorded, and I will be talking to you real time. This is one. This is suitable for those who are staying in different cities, or even those who are staying in Mumbai or around Thane. The travel time is saved. Further, we give full recording of this training so that you can view it later on again and again if required. This is the advantage with this type of training. The second type of training is conventional classical training, and I conduct these classes in a hotel in Thane. Now here you are meeting me across table, we can shake hands and we can discuss. Here the advantage for the trainer is he can use all his movements of body movements or facial expressions, etc. So the training becomes more effective. Apart from that, you also as a student enjoy being amongst the like-minded students, and that gives extra advantage. Face-to-face training is always the best way of communication. It has been established all over the world. So the advantage here is face-to-face contact, but on the other hand you have to travel to the hotel. So these are the two types, and both the trainings are on weekends and 2 consecutive weekends, and the trainer remains same for all the 4 sessions. All right, now I will come to a topic why you should join EPMA. You should join EPMA because of the experienced trainer. We give lot of real-time examples during the training. You will feel as if I am telling you lot of stories, but each story is based on some principle from Project Management Institute's principles recorded in exam content outline. And therefore, you do not have to cram anything. The PMP exam also is based on the scenarios. One scenario is given, 4 options are given, and you have to choose which one is right. And therefore, my training is also made suitable such a way that you can handle any situation on real projects. Therefore, my training has got two advantages. One is that I elevate your abilities to handle any situation on any kind of project anywhere in the world. So you start using whatever you learn with me on the next day. And secondly, I will also give you lot of exam tips, as well as I will solve some questions from my question bank randomly chosen. The advantage of this is that you will get look and feel of the exam questions. So that is the advantage of great experience, and you will feel I am talking the problems that are happening around you only. Now further, what deliverables we give. So first of all, I'll be giving you a study material prepared exactly based on the current exam content outline, and this study material is around 180 pages, and reading this will solve most of your problems. Along with this study material, we give around 370 questions, question bank, covering all the aspects of the topics that I'll be covering. In addition to this, that means after you have read EPMA book, after you have solved EPMA question bank, we will give you 5 mock tests. Each mock test has got 180 questions and it is exactly similar to PMP exam. So in all, you will see these mock tests are also not only a device for testing your preparation, but they are preparation by themselves. And therefore, you will be finishing in terms of mock test 900 questions, because no question is repeated in any mock test, and along in addition 370 questions in question bank. So you are preparing more than 1250 questions, very meticulously selected, and not even one question is repeated anywhere. And therefore this is the all round preparation, and with this you will have constantly communication with us during your preparation. And once we find, after observing your scores in mock test, we will give you go ahead for the exam, and anybody who prepares in this fashion is sure to pass PMP in first attempt. Okay, so this is what I narrated to you all about our methodology of giving training. And further, if you have any doubts, we don't put condition that you have to sit for exam in 2 months or 3 months. It is recommended that you give the certification exam in 2 to 3 months. Nevertheless, for some or the other reason, if you take 6 months, 9 months, or even 1 year, we will be giving you full support, and our students are our students always. Thank you. Friends, this is Sateesh Kamat from Effective Project Management Academy. Many people want to do PMP trainings and they would like to know same questions, different people, and instead of every individual calling again and again on different days, what we have done is we conduct 1 hour introductory session for knowing what we cover in PMP. So in this, please join these 1 hour sessions and you will come to know what is PMP, what is expected while studying PMP, or what are the requirements from PMI side, how to apply for PMP, and all this you will know in real time, because this is a real time 1 hour session for letting you know what is PMP, how to study, what benefits are there from PMP, how you will gain from PMP, how much does it cost for you, and how much time you need to spend for this. And also, of course, I will be telling you some simple tips for passing PMP. So this is what is the intention of this 1 hour session. Please join today on the following, call us on the following number.